Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play against the Legion. When facing this killer, your primary goal is to avoid grouping up with teammates. Legion's power, Feral Frenzy, allows them to chain hits on multiple survivors very quickly if you are close together. After being hit, immediately break line of sight and mend your deep wound status to prevent going down in one hit. Use environmental obstacles to your advantage. Legion's Feral Frenzy is their signature power, allowing them to move faster and hit multiple survivors. They have a 32-meter terror radius while in frenzy, which can help you anticipate their approach. A successful hit applies the deep wound status effect, but Legion cannot down you during this state. Remember that mending your deep wound takes 12 seconds, so find a safe spot. Managing the deep wound status effect is critical for survival. Always prioritize mending yourself or any nearby teammates who are afflicted. The deep wound timer will pause while you are actively mending or being healed by another survivor. It is important to mend before attempting to heal, as the timer expiring will instantly put you into the dying state, regardless of your health. For more advanced play, consider using fast vaults through windows or over pallets. This can sometimes break Legion's Feral Frenzy chain. Perks such as Iron can significantly reduce your grunts of pain, making you harder to track while injured. Spine Chill offers an early warning when Legion is looking in your direction. Also, avoid healing immediately after mending, as Legion might return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.